Today I'm going to be showing you some of the tips and tricks for 3x3. And I practice 3x3 lot because that's my main event. For being sub 30, you should need to know the beginner's method. But I don't really recommend it because it's too bad. I recommend the advanced method because it's easy to get faster with that. So, number 1, the fundamentals. For becoming sub 30 on 3x3, first you should know the CFOP method, which we'll call the advanced method. The abbreviation of CFOP method is C stands for cross, F stands for F12, O stands for OLL, P stands for PLL. You can get there simply using cross 4 seconds, F12 16 seconds, OLL and PLL 10 seconds. Totally 30 seconds. You can buy a speed cube. Don't use the Rubik's brand. Instead, buy an Qiyi Warrior cube. I highly recommend it for beginners because that cube is smooth, fast and good for beginners. First, normally in beginner's method, you should put the cross on top and insert. But in advanced method, you should put the cross down and insert. Instead, you can find a better way to insert it using M moves, B moves and insert. During your inspection time, inspect highly, and first you should inspect your cross plus 2 F12 pairs. And highly recommend you the F12 efficiency because in F12 you could waste 2 moves. So you look for better efficiency on F12. There are more ways to learn F12 easily, and don't use the intuitive F12. Instead, learn an advanced F12. And you should first learn 2-look OLL, 2-look PLL, which is 2-look OLL consists of 10 algorithms and 2-look PLL consists of 6 algorithms. The 2-look PLL consists of 6 algorithms, namely H-perm, Z-perm, UA-perm, UB-perm, F-perm and T-perm. When you are solving, your brain should not think on that F12 case. You should help your muscle memory like this. Now I am going to solve this F12 pair. Now I will not look at that F12 pair. Instead I look at this green and orange pair and solve this. When I am solving this, I will not look at this. Instead look at another pair. This will help your muscle memory grow. And if you look at an oral case, you should straightly solve that oral case without thinking. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and